Already doing stuff this morning. Holy, she's moving. Good morning, everybody. Gotta get this link sent out real fast. Market is responding. Hope everybody's feeling stellar. Happy Friday. End the week on a beautiful note here. Oh. Come on. How we feeling? How we doing? Oh, NASDAQ. What do you got for us? I didn't get to watch yesterday facilitate all the way through. We sold down into the 443s. Wow. All the way down to the 440s yesterday is crazy. And we didn't get to be a part of it. From the 517 to the 440s. And the 650s. Caesar, good morning, King. Brandon, good morning, Kings. I love it. Welcome in. Just taking a gander at our hourly chart here. Seeing that we did get the rejection yesterday. Find this bear flag finally breaking through. And now feels like we're actually touching on the other end of it. So I'm going to get this drawn back. Or I had this drawn. We finally broke through. Maybe we get a pull back up into this range at the 25,000 whole number or something. Something spicy like that. I don't know. Sell side is definitely in. Matrix, good morning, King. I love it. Happy Friday. Mad Max, welcome in, King. Your Free Money Friday. Good morning, everybody. Free Money Friday. Let's get it, TLR. Welcome in, King. Paul, good morning, King. You guys feel that? Sam, welcome in, Chief. Good morning, King. Saucy, our moderator. You guys feel that energy in the air? Just a nice Friday vibes. End of the week vibes. Market kind of facilitating the way it should. Finally going to close that gap. Or at least looks like the gap could be closed today, actually. So things feel good. Things feel stellar. Hope everybody's feeling happy, feeling excited. Like TLR said, it is in fact Free Money Friday. Let's get paid. Let's get paid. Sauce the boss indeed. Good morning, Amin. Welcome in, King. Market currently trading at the 24,750s. Opening print candle. Bringing us off the 700s. We're about 50 points in the first couple candles. I think the range is still going to be nice today, fam. We still got the old Daddy Trump bringing the volatility, it seems like. If you look at the hourly chart here, we have a really nice V recovery from overnight. A little dip and go already. So we'll see the reaction here. Up around these 25,000s could be a interesting spot. Anywhere around this trend line, maybe previous day range. A couple spots we could find some selling. If the Bears want to continue this, although we did perfectly defend this bottom at the 430s, so we'll see what happens there. But how's everybody feeling? How we doing, family? It's the end of the week. How we doing? Are we excited? Looking forward to the couple days off, get time with the family, or are you guys gonna miss the markets and be lonely without the NASDAQ? Some days those happen too. I think we're gonna get a little bit of buying early into like these 5,000s, maybe 25,000, 24,000, maybe 800s, something like this. Previous day range, overnight high, something like that. I'm kind of expecting maybe a little dip into the VWAP. We could find a long, even though I'm overall bearish. But it seems like if y'all have been paying attention, all the fun has been going on later on. So like the market's been moving. This was our 15-minute range yesterday. Absolute disgusting cuck of cheese. Finally get the VWAP to support us after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts at the VWAP. We finally find buyers. They bring it up to the 170s, and then the sellers just take it down all day long. So we've been missing the fun. We've been our timeline of the 9:30 to 11, which is usually our golden money hours. Usually the market's decent time has been just a very flat time to be a participant in the market lately. Even happened the same day previously, where there's a fairly tight range, and then finally got a little break, and then the sellers took it over. Very tight range, finally a little break, and then the sellers take it over. So let's see what happens today, family. Hope everybody's mindset is in the right place. It is Free Money Friday, Fun Money Friday, whatever it is for you. Just keep that mindset in the right spot. Let's get paid today, family. 4 minutes after open and still not sweeping high or low. It's really weird, isn't it, Amy? Today feels kind of like the other day. Opening print candle, opening us at the 700 whole number. We're up in the 780s right now. Let's see what happens, fam. Any big weekends planned, though? What are we looking at? What are we doing? 9:35. Market's only been open for 5 minutes. I want a long to the 900s, waiting on the opportunity. I like that, Jared. You wanting a line to the 900s. I also like us to go take out these this overnight high in this range. I am also kind of long biased, especially with this nice V recovery in the overnight session. We did hold a nice double bottom yesterday at the 420s. But I also, and I know a couple other people have actually had this gap be closed on their charts, but on our charts on this 1 minute, this 190 is unfilled. So this could be where we kind of want to see ourselves push to today if we are going to continue to respect. I mean, obviously, this is where the previous low was that we keep supporting at these 440s, or technically it's like 430. So we keep holding this price as the gap bottom, but I think this is the gap bottom down to 189. So we could see that kind of get a little threatened today, but we'll see. In fact, we will take a notice. Good morning, Almighty. Welcome in, King. Pat, there he is. Good morning, Pat. Hope you're doing well, sir. Let's see if that last up move is just correction or market reversal. This last little pump here in this candle. The hourly chart's looking interesting. Nice little V recovery. Let's take a gander at our daily chart real quick. Ooh, wow. Daily chart kind of giving a little bit more different information. Strongest big black Drake candle we've seen in a long time. And now we're just kind of chopping 50% of the range. And it looks like we tried to break down but got rejected from the buyers at this bottom, the 440s. So kind of want to see this continue to sell, but we will see, fam. Kind of want to keep seeing the selling, but we will notice. Take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah. We could keep pulling back up and to test the bottom of this trend line again since we broke through it and then finally continued selling. So we could find some buying today. We could also get some selling. We're going to be patient, get a good entry. Be patient and wait for your setup. No FOMO or bad setups. Let's get it. Let's get it. W knowledge from Pat there. No reason to rush into anything, fam. End the week on a strong note. Be disciplined. Play by your rules. Abhimanyu. Welcome in, King. It's happy you're here. Happy Friday. Getting a little blurred out by our lighting. Happy you're here, King. Let's get it. Market trying to make equal highs and lows. That's not good. Big moves come. That's not good. Big moves come. I agree, Amy. That's kind of why I want to see a little continued selling. It is Friday on a week where we've had a lot of volatility this week in general. So I think it is safe to at least expect a little bit more volatility. Though I don't know. Excuse me. Excuse me. Good morning, my friend Tyler, and all of you guys on the stream too. Welcome in, Abby. Good morning, King. How your accounts looking, Pat? Solid question. Gold. Good morning, King. Welcome in, brother. Some XFAs, new ones. Asking about those accounts, Pat. Let's see what we can do here. NASDAQ sitting here rejecting this push at the high of the range at the 800s. Finding some sellers at the 8s. Opening print candle was the 700s. We're up 100 points in the first 9 minutes. I still think this is going to be like the other few days we've had, fam. I keep calling you guys my fam. I like a little bit of fam. But we're the early range in the morning. Look at this. This is the first 15-minute range. Very choppy, nothing. And then a little break by the buyers. And then the sellers take control throughout the rest of the day. Yesterday was very similar. Really ugly 15-minute range. And we chopped for a while. Finally, buyers took it up a little bit. And then the sellers took control later on in the day. So I feel like we're going to get some choppiness. Maybe the buyers win. And then sellers take it over for the end of the day. Could play out all over again. We'll see. I need a profile picture, boys and girls. He needs one to understand you guys. He needs to see your souls. He needs to connect with you. I love it. If you guys have not yet, make sure we're hitting that like button, smashing that little thumbs up, get the stream popping. Got 20 people in here. Let's get 20 likes rolling, fam. Let's get 20 likes rolling, fam. Like, what are we doing? Market is rejecting these 800s, getting back towards opening print candle at the 700s. Finding a little bit of resistance at these 8s, it looks like. We're at the 822, swept the high. Overnight high was at the 850s, so still inside of that range. And now we wait. We see what we get. NASDAQ finding some selling. It's over 100 points in 3 candles right there. Over 100 points in selling in 3 candles. Let's do our best. Get a part of it. I'm overall bearish heavy on the day, but I think for the morning we're gonna get some of this irrational buying that we've been seeing all morning, every morning so far. So I'm interested in a VWAP pull around the 660s right now, somewhere around like maybe the 670s. I'd be looking for a nice long. Trump is still talking. Holy shit. W Matrix. Appreciate the insight, King. I actually didn't even know that. That shows where I'm at. Jeez, I'm under a rock over here, sleeping in. Trump's talking. I don't even know about it. What's he saying? What's he doing? I don't even see anything like that. It's Trump. Definitely do not want to be unaware of the man that can move the market millions in seconds. So appreciate the insight there, Matrix. Finding a rejection at the 800s. We're down to the 715s near opening print candle price. I would be interested in a little long poke at the VWAP if we get back towards the 670s, 660s. I'd be interested in a little attempt with our normal $300, 15 points. From there, maybe get a little rotation, but market's only been open for 12 minutes, family. Let's be patient here. Get our box, get ready for our first 15-minute range to be punched in, and then from there, maybe we can get some continuation. Like I said, though, guys, hey, he says I need a profile and didn't even have one himself, and there he is, looking professional with the family. I love it, Sauce. Let's go. Like and subscribe, kings and queens. Hope y'all have a good day. Peace, Chief. Hey, appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much, Gold. Means the most. Take care, Chief. See you tomorrow. Or see you later, really. Stop loss today, next week. You stop loss today, Amin? Is that what you're saying? So you're locking out for the day? Need a better pick with the baby in it as well. Oh, I didn't even see the little man's not in there. Absolutely, then, Sauce. That's a mandatory. I love it. But now we can see that beautiful face. Now we can connect with you a little bit more. I'm getting blurred out by this light today. I'm not sure. Not sure what that's all about. Back to opening print candle bottom here at the 709s. Starting to find some rejection. I am interested in a VWAP touch and go possibly, just for an opportunity. Otherwise, the selling's going to come in pretty heavy and we'll know. So maybe I just get a little poke. Danny! Good morning, Queen. Welcome in. Happy Friday. Let's make some money today, huh? Welcome in, Queen. I love it. Yeah, stop loss hit. 1 trade by day, so time to stop trading. I love it, Amin. You've been trading really great all week, King. So taking a loss is completely normal. And having the discipline to be done with one is stellar. So if that's what you're going to do, I think that's a good spot to be, man. Lock it in. Pat yourself on the back. End the week strong on a good note. You're overall very green. You traded great this week, so I think that's okay. Saucy, let's go. Pulling into the VWAP now, fam. I'm going to have one order down here. Just one order down here. It's not my favorite buy, but I have to try, I think. Buying a VWAP pull here. It's not my favorite. Market's now about to set our first 15-minute range. Dun, 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 dun. Feeling good, family. It's Friday. There's nothing but good reasons to have a good day. Look like we're about to get touched into our fill here. Opening print candle. Top of the 15-minute range. We're trying the bottom of the 15-minute range. Hopefully we can get a fill and a push back to the other side. We'll see what happens. Dude, wait. Let me play music too. Hobby, get that going. Get the tunes pumping, sir. 1,500 done for the day. Took that short. I love it, Caesar. Good trading, King. Fantastic push. Over 100 points from the top there. 100 plus points. We're looking for a fill at the bottom of the 15-minute range now. Right on the outside, right near VWAP. We'll see if we can get it. We are seeking some longs at the push of VWAP in the bottom of the 15-minute range. Not my favorite, but we have to take what we see. Yeah, stop loss for a long win streak, so I don't blow account for one lose trade to a revenge trade. Following my system. I love it, Amin. Hey, that's going to keep you profitable long terms, King. Having a good strategy and following it is the biggest thing. It's not even about having the strategy. It's about following it. You know what I mean? You can have $1 million strategy and not be able to execute. So W aiming for sure. And W Caesar, no doubt. I love it. Way to lock it in, King. Done for the day. No more needed. No more needed. We're looking for a potential VWAP long, previous day low as well. So that's where our target is. Grabbing a long at the previous day low and the VWAP. We had a V recovery overnight. I want to see these buyers get excited back around this price and see what we can do here. See what we can do here. I know there's 31 beautiful people. I do not know how many likes we have yet, family, but hit the like button. It's the easy and free way to support the streams if you find any value whatsoever. Let's see if we can get along at the bottom of the range. What a couple things I don't love is that we're seeking this little middle price here where between the VWAP and the bottom of the range. So if we do get a fill, it's going to be a little scary of a trade, but we like to just take what we see. Can't have fear. Anyone here know how to set up a poll in the chat? It's a great question, actually, Sauce. I don't. I think it's maybe through OBS. I don't know. I have a feeling, Ty, maybe the one person with access to that. I might be. I don't know, King. You are our moderator, so you might have the same access. I don't know. I'd have to figure that out. Maybe if we can get paid by the NASDAQ right now, we can spend some time trying to get that situated. But right now, looking for a still fill around previous day lows price. A little touch and go is what I'm seeking. I think the 54s is even like a safer entry potentially, but we got to get what we can get. We got to get what we can get. Currently, the NASDAQ 2 points below us. We wanted to see a little touch and go. Any big news today? I don't think so, Danny. I know Trump is speaking right now, I guess, but that's the only thing I can really see. And the Vidian to sell in the top, in the vision to sell it and stop me and go to TP LOL. Yeah, it's the worst, I mean. Always does that. It's always the classic, King. I was going to hop on buys when the market was pushing market open, but that was just me trying to rush a trade. I remained patient and sat on my hands and found my setup. Market always supplies to discipline. Let's fucking go, Caesar. King trading right there. Y'all hear that? He got excited this morning, was looking for some longs, was patient, found the proper setup, took the shorts, and now he got paid. Market finding some buyers here right below the VWAP. Finding a little double bottom at these 60, 70s. Back towards his 50% at the moment. It's not that I don't believe the longs because I was looking to get long. It's just I really wanted a little VWAP touch there. So, yeah. Buyers are responding pretty well to that price. Already up about 80 points. Almost 100 points now from that little bottom. I got in at 669, 699. Let's go, Jared. Nice long, King. Really nice long. Tough day today. Green to red, then red to green. Choppy. Patience, Almighty. Still early in the still really early. If you're already taking a couple trades and you're feeling a little chopped, just be patient. It is going both ways right now. Market's playing both sides. I was expecting longs. I was hoping to grab a long down here. Of course, we're missed by, what did we get missed by? You know, the classic. Just, what is that? 8 points. So, you know how it be. You know how it do when it do it. You know how it be when it bees. Whoa, now we going up. Yes, sir, Caesar. Now we're finding the buys, King. Strong reaction from these 670s. We were hoping for the 60s, of course, because why wouldn't it be the 70s? Because I was, you know what I mean? Overall, do we want that to be our bottom that is accepted? It does feel fairly decent, like we did just touch into previous day low. We didn't technically trade previous day low, but we already have, so he's found some more support there. So I guess I'd be okay with longs at this point. I would be a lot more safe with longs if we already swept through the range and maintain and touch VWAP. If we swept through the bottom of this range and touch VWAP, I'd feel a lot safer looking for longs right now. I still feel like this could be a little trappy, but let's be patient, fam. I'm feeling excited. I feel like we're in the right mindset today. I think the market is giving enough opportunity to get paid, and it's just up to us to take advantage of it. The market is being fairly decent. It's just up to us to take advantage. I think I have to do this, even though I don't love it. Got to adjust our entry now. See if we can get a fill back in around these 733s, just below the 50% and the VWAP. Makes me feel like a little less likely to get a fill. Something like that, maybe. Buying this previous range bottom that we already held. Now the market pushed back up through, got rejected, maintained, and now we're going to look for a long if we get a pullback chance around the 50% of the range. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. It may go sideways today, fam. Chopping both sides. Right now we're chopping a little bit, but again, if we look at the last couple of days, Almighty, it's been really normal where we're chopping early and then the actual move happens. I'll show you what I mean in a second. I got chopped, brother, but wishing you luck. Hey, I appreciate it, Sam. Be patient, King. Lots of opportunity to come. Market's still early today, so just take some take a second, find a good position. We'll get paid. Tyler, it's insane how fast your take profit can get hit when you use 5 minis. It's so crazy. It's mind-blowing how much money you can make with just a click of a button. It is, King. It's also in that same regard, you can lose money in 2 seconds too, but it's the reason we're all here. No doubt about it, Caesar. It can change our lives in seconds. But Almighty, what I was saying is yesterday, buddy, look at this. This was our range early. Chop, chop, chop for the first hour of the market. We went literally nowhere. Stuck inside the 15-minute range for an hour and 5 minutes until finally breaking up a little bit, and then the range started playing out. So happened like this yesterday and the day before, really similar. So today, if we stay a little tight for a little while, doesn't mean that the ranges aren't going to play out. We just got to be patient. Oh yeah, that's it for me. Let's go, Jared. W entry, King. That's 100 points right there. I love it. Nice trading, sir. Way to end the week strong on a nice trade. I love it. I love it. Well deserved, King. Let's get paid, everybody. Into the 800s in the NASDAQ, threatening the top of the 15-minute range now. Are we going to get this to continue to higher? I would have loved a little VWAP touch there, but I guess the double bottom's enough. Gotcha. Yes, sir, Almighty. So like I said, it's just we got to be patient. I think the range is last few days I get excited because the 9:30 to 11 is typically money time, but last few days it hasn't been. Last few days we've been setting up for the bigger move later on in the day. So our job is to be patient, get paid today. Did we break or are we equal highs? We're still equal highs right now, Amy. Haven't broke through yet. We're at the 800s. Breaking would be the 820s. We're threatening it though. We're threatening it right now. And there we go, 818, breaking the top of the 15-minute range. Let's see what happens from here. I'm personally expecting a little bit of continuation, but we'll see. Excuse me. Personally, I'm expecting some continuation from here, but we will see. Broke it by 1 tick so far. Yep. We literally just ticked through it and then found some selling. So I talk only on highs and lows in open range. And now we're into the 30s, Amy. So still breaking higher than the 15 minutes there. Would love to see the breakout. Starting to threaten it, Danny. Here we go, Queen. Strong push into the 840s now. Overnight highs at the 858s. Let's see the reaction here. Overnight highs, the 858s. Strong B recovery. There she goes indeed. Strong push right out of that. Never got to the VWAP. I would have loved a little touch there. Man. Y'all saw us hunting a VWAP entry there. Instead, it had to turn just a few points before. It makes me a little bit sad, but that's the game. I was hoping for a VWAP touch. We turned a few points before it, and that is just the game that we're playing in. 850s. We just took overnight high now. Longs are showing themselves. V recovery from overnight. Hourly charts looking pretty strong. I would like a short fill in around this trend line touch somewhere up here. So we might be looking for our shorts now that we swept overnight high. Maybe we push a little bit higher before we find it. I don't know. Me personally, though, I don't mind this for some selling. Nice buying volume candle right here. Nice buying volume. Let's see if we can get maintained. Otherwise, we can take a position against it. Has Danny made 300 points yet? Tyler, can I play lyrical song or only instrumental music? Whatever you feel comfortable, King. If it's not distracting, play some tunes. If it's a little too much, play some instruments. Whatever feels good for you, King. Whatever feels good for you, Abby. Damn, this volatility is nuts. She's printing right now, Jared. There's another almost 100 points from where you got out, King. Kind of unreal, actually. Impressive buying. Straight V recovery off of this. Why did we not get a VWAP touch? Anybody know? No? Okay. NASDAQ just didn't want to give us that VWAP fill there, it looks like. So because of this strength, though, family, because of this strength at this moment, if we get a nice little turnaround to this EMA, I think we're going to take a little long attempt on it. Otherwise, I kind of want to try to fade this, but I can't. Pumperoni and cheese, indeed, Mad. Let's see it. I'm interested in the longs. We had two nice taps at the 676s after that push down and pullback last night. Premium for buys of the 56s, but looks like we're at 90s was the play. Looks like it, King. I was hoping for a touch of this VWAP. We did respect this bottom at the 75s perfectly, though. Now finding the respect. I'm also looking longs, Pat. I don't love this extended buying, but you can't fade the market right now. So I'm going to adjust our order. Try to get another fill up around the top of the 15-minute range now. Otherwise, we can just keep trying to ride this pressure. I'm not going to try to fade this longs anymore. Stream sniping, of course. Always looking for us, Mad Max. Always. They saw my order down here. They saw my order and said, no, we're going to turn a few points before you. You are a genius, my man. So are you, Abby. I'd watch that 900 level. You think the 900s get a little tricky, Jared? A little tricky for some sells. I like that. We'll see what happens. Still in the long with 1 micro, Saucy. Let's go, Danny. Let's fucking go, Queen. I love it. Nice entry. Good patience to hold. Trading into the 880s right now. Next supply zone is the 856s. If we see a pullback and consolidation there, it might be the next opportunity for longs. Agree. We know we can't fade buys like this. I've lost too much doing that, Pat. So we're going to be patient today. Is it me or is every day open sold off and then rallies? Swear to God, that chart looks the same as the last 4 days. I'm literally in the same boat with you, Saab. Welcome in, King. My same idea. I feel like we're getting this choppy ass bullshit. Nice push by the longs, and then the sellers take over for the end of the day. So currently, I'm seeing the same thing you are, King, but we are actually going to be trying to participate with them this time. I will be buying this first pullback. I don't even care. I will be trying to join these longs first and foremost. I do not care. We missed our long order at the VWAP sub. If you take a gander and see our order at the VWAP and see where we just got disrespected, I might actually take this with 2 contracts as well. A little bit more than we normally would, family, but we are respecting the longs at the moment. And we're going to buy this first EMA pullback to see if we can get a little push off of it. I kind of want to get the EMA, but I also kind of want to pull back toward the top of the 15-minute range. What's safer here? Shit. This is why I hate when the market just extends and leaves without you. Because I feel like nothing's obvious. All right, I'm going to buy one at this EMA then, and then buy another one at this 15% if we get it. If we get there, we're looking for a 35 entry. NASDAQ's finding the 46s. Just want a little touch and go here, Nazi. Nothing crazy. Little taparoonie and biscuits. W Queen, let it run and trail carefully. I like that, Pat. This market is moving today. Praise the Lord. We are finally getting a good movement, Caesar. Every day has a chance to make some money on this. Free Money Friday today. Let's go, Caesar. Dropping this insight. I love it, King. Every day is the opportunity to change your lives. Hit my 150 for the day, so got out. Rules are not getting greedy. I love that, Danny. Really good discipline. We're going to leave our stop loss a little bit below this opening range. I don't love where we had to put it, but we'll see what happens. See if we can get some respect at the CMA, get a little bit of pressure. If we do, the longs can get us right back up there. We'll see what happens. We're start targeting the 910s if we do want to try to have this be a one and done. Our stops are going to be below the opening, below the 15-minute range. I want to find the long supporting here if we are. But we'll see what happens. Got to find our friends to support us. Now trying to do the same on my Take Profit Trader account, and I'm done for the week. Let's go, Danny. We are supply zone. If we hold, there's more upside. All right, we're in our trade, family. Let's see what happens. Trying to see this EMA be a little support. It's the first time we've touched it since that aggressive buying. Now feels like we are going to be the ones. That was officially the touch of the 15-minute range. Want to see us find some support here. Otherwise, we're going to be wrong. That was a touch of the 15 right there. Want to find the longs come in now. Come on, long. Support us, baby. Where my long friends at? Get back above that EMA. Oh. Rejection at the 890s. This feels very similar to the last few days, family. It really does. Choppy chopperoonie and biscuits around here. We just sold off nearly 100 points now. Oh, that's so frustrating. Daily payouts with TPT is nice. Yes, how are your TP accounts looking, Pat? Let's get dialed in and get paid here. Nasdaq playing games but giving a lot of opportunity. Selling off from the 890s back into the 790s. Another 100-point sell-off in 4 candles. Immediately back within the 15-minute range. I'm selling one at the top of this 15 minutes. The way that we just sold through that pressure, I don't anticipate us to find a lot of respect here. A lot of selling volume right there to start picking up. Kind of trying to join them. We'll see what happens. Looking for a fill at the top of the 15 with one contract. It might drop to VWAP King. I'm hoping so, Caesar. But I just want to be a part of it if that's what it wants to do. I just want to be a part of it if that's what it wants. Looking for a fill at the 13s. Into the 10s, 11s. We're in now. Stops are going to be up a little bit bigger. Not really, actually. We can still just kind of leave a normal risk here. Wanting to see the EMA be respected. Wanting to see this EMA be respected here. It should be fast.
Order filled.
Gosh. Oh, fuck. I'm building buffers, actually growing these accounts instead of just taking a payout instead of no drawdown. I like that, Pat. My Topstep account is going for max payout. TPT after my buffer. Like, I'll take weekly payouts. Why, NASDAQ? I take a long at the top of the 15-minute range. It wants to pull into this fucking price. What is at the 780s? Like, why the 780s? Respect the fucking 15-minute range. And we're literally in that position. Like, oh my God. Gonna use Trade Sinker and copy trade 5 XFAs and 5 TPTs. I'd recommend be cautious a little bit, Pat. I saw this thing with, I don't know if it's Topstep or who, but some prop firm disabled the ability for third-party copy traders. Dang, Pat is moving. Yes, sir. He is, in fact. But yeah, just be cautious, King. Yeah, we looked for a long at the top of the 15-minute range. Of course, we get a nice dip into the 780s before looking for the actual push. So, just highly annoying. Like, what the fuck? Why did the buyers get so weak into the 15 right there? I do not like the pullback to the 80s there at all. Yes, sir. Just heads up, King. It's just what I heard. It's just what I heard. Oh, I'm so triggered after that. What the fuck was that? Fake pull down. And we buy the strong. So annoying. Gotta let it go, but man, fuck. Now we need 23 today, which is still really not much. It's just so annoying, NASDAQ. You're always doing this shit to us. Always doing this shit to us. 888 is the top of the range where we found the previous rejection. Finding non-stop buying. This is what we wanted, guys. We just wanted this to happen right back at this pullback. Of course, one fucking extra candle. Finding a little bit of selling at the 880s, previous high. $900 are clearly acting as a little bit of resistance. I'm a little annoyed after that. Like, what the hell? Nice patience. We grab the nice long, and then the sellers push through way heavier than they should. So then we buy the retracement and get wrong on that. Like, Look at the hourly chart displaying the buying. Market back at these 880s. I guess right now the thing that I'm going to be looking for is to see if we can actually get a break and close above this previous high. Even then, it's not going to really look very good for long for a join. But yeah, I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed. You got this, King. I appreciate it, Caesar. W mindset right there. We absolutely got this. We've been here before. Just like, gosh, NASDAQ. Playing games always. Always playing games. Like that right there. If this one candle never happened and we respected this EMA, we just would have been done with our accounts. From what I'm seeing, price hit that demand zone, pullback, and is continuing. Yeah, we hit previous day low. Just about respected previous day low. Found a nice support out of there. Went back up to the 9s. I really still don't fully get why we just pulled into the 80s here on that second attempt. But that's just me. That's just me not being aware, I guess. I don't know. Kind of rounding out a little bit at these 80s. Getting back through this EMA. Sellers are starting to load back up here. Lots of opportunity today, guys. Let's get paid today. Lots of opportunity. Everyone drop a like for Ty for showing up every day to stream for us. Oh, let's fucking go, Caesar. You're the man, bro. I appreciate that. Appreciate the love, King. Just woke up, Pablo. Welcome in, King. Stoked to have you back, brother. Be patient, man. It's all good. Wait for an obvious clean setup and take it. I'm flat for the day, eating my eggs and rice and helping stream. I love it, Pat. Enjoy that meal, King. We're going to get paid. We're going to get these accounts passed. We're going to find the right spot. Just going to be patient. That's it right there. Just going to be patient. I still think that I think we got to look for longs here, but we'll see. We'll see. We have equal highs at previous day here. How you been, bro? Pablo, doing well, King. We're down a couple, 2 trades today. And we're not going to let it get us down, though. We're going to bounce right back and get this cranking. Good morning, Jaleesa. Welcome in, Queen. Love having you here. Love the big smile. Happy Friday. My bad, I missed yesterday. I was hella tired and woke up just on time for this one. No worries, King. I'm glad you're here, though. It is all good. Sellers, maybe. Sellers, maybe finally getting a little bit of something. Breaking back into overnight range. Touching back into the 15-minute range here. I think this is worth our normal 15 points. Actually, we just did not respect the top of that 15-minute range at all. So I don't really know if I want to trust it to be a support right now. Previously took a trade off of it. It didn't show any respect, so I don't really love it to respect us right now. Although I am seeing a very nice bull flag forming. Where we get our fill, I don't know. If this starts to wick and respect it a little bit, I'd be interested. It's trying to, it looks like. Trying to, it looks like. I'd be interested for a long at these 800s. If we can get a pullback, NASDAQ being annoying again today. She's being herself. In fact, Jaleesa. Well said. It looks like we are loading up for buys. In my opinion, 5 minute is cleaner. 5 minute is cleaner. I'm going to try a long here at the 800 hold number, 803s, defending into the 15-minute range. A little bit higher than this previous bottom, but I want to see us find some support here. This feels like a tough entry, honestly, as we're finally getting below this EMA, but we'll see. Market looks like it's trying to respect the top of the 15-minute range. I guess we don't really want that order. If we are going to respect it, we're going to get in higher. Let's notice this as well. Starting to get a little trend break. Yeah, it's a little steeper than I want, actually. It's a little steeper than I'm looking. 800 fill looks clean. It does. It does, Pat. 802 is where I was really looking. It's worth 15 points. Problem is 15 points right now is like nothing. That's the real problem. 15 points right now is literally just a blink of a hat. So we are respecting the top of the 15-minute range, it looks like. Let's see if we can get this to break through here. Longs are responding pretty well. There's a sweep of the range. There's a sweep of the range right there. Longs are still, wow. Just wow. I'm actually blown away by the strength right now. Switch to 5 micros. You can have a nice stop, half a mini, and still add heavy. Not a bad plan, Pat. I'm going to stay with this for a little while, but we'll see. I've been eating healthier. It's expensive, but at the end of the day, I know it will be worth it. Extremely worth it, Pablo. I like that, King. Keep investing in yourself. A healthy trader is a profitable trader. You're gonna notice far more than just your health come back if you keep being consistent with that, King. All right, we got a sweep of the range here at 10-12. Market looks like it kind of wants some more. I don't love that we swept and we're starting to stay inside of it. I'm trying to buy along at the previous day high now. W phase, keep at it, King. In fact, I love that. 912s now. We're getting to the spot where I'm almost ready for shorts. 924. Yeah, I don't even. We're getting to that spot, family, where I'm about ready for some shorts. Like the 25,000 whole number could be really nice, depending on how we get there. This previous range could be decent as well. Feeling FOMO. Me too, Matrix. No worries, King. We're going to get paid today. We're going to get paid today. We just got to be patient. I think if we're still out of this right now, our best entry, I think, is getting these shorts. I think this is like yesterday where we chop a little bit, find higher prices, and then later on in the day, the sellers take control. It's kind of what I'm seeing right now. I'd like a 25,000 whole number short attempt. Thank you, Pat. And I also been hitting the gym, noticing nothing crazy right now. Keep showing up, King. I love that. Consistency is the way right there. Eating healthy, getting your body right, spending time on your health pays you back in ways you can never predict. 935. I really would like a short up around these 60s, maybe 25,000 whole number, something like that. Good morning, brother. Just got here, was getting breakfast, drove back home quick as fuck to see the last hour stream. Hope you can still make this win right here. We gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Welcome in, King. Stoked that you're here. Love the support. Enjoy that breakfast and let's get paid right now. Gonna be patient, find a good entry. Matrix, the universe will never let you miss what's meant for you, King. Be patient. You're set up and never get paid, and you'll get paid, King. I love that. Good mindset right there, Pat. Way to help out. Way to help everybody out. I love it. Bro, have you ever traded Forex or crypto? I have a little bit of crypto, but I've never really traded it, and I've never really traded Forex either, no. 940s, still finding some higher bids right now. Biggest buy volume candle of the day, finding some continuation. I'm interested in a short around the 65s, maybe 90s, something like that. Then again, this is just kind of looking like a rational buying, so. This could just keep going. You know what I'm saying? Like, this could just keep going. Okay. I mean, if it's going to give us the attempt, we're going to take the attempt. I'm going to sell at the 88s right now, family. I have a sell at the 88s right now. Trying to get a sell at this trend line. We're going to see if we can even get a fill. Let's go, team. Friday is my worst day. Definitely be cautious. I spot 2 setups since this morning, but hesitate to go in. Ah, Matrix. No worries, King. We're right there, brother. We're going to find a good spot. Fridays are always tricky. Final day of the week. Trying to end the week on a good note, but we're going to. I'm looking for a shorts right now at the 88s. Market looks like we're currently respecting the 62s a little bit. I don't love that because that could play into this effect here. I was hoping to see a little bit higher before we could like just assume we're going to get the break. But buying, I mean, the sellers are at least defending. Give me a little pump up to these 25,000s, NASDAQ, and I'm going to ride you down, girl. That's my plan. Kind of want to buy this EMA pullback, but EMA has not been respected this morning. EMA has not been respected this morning at all. I think a safer entry would be around this previous 900 whole number. Here we go. Here we go, NASDAQ. Here we go, NASDAQ. Happens to the best of us, bro. Wait till it's clear and execute. Good example is a professional basketball player. When they're lined up with the basketball, they don't think, they just shoot. That's it right there. They just take the shot. They just take the shot because that's what you have to do. 900s. Pulling into the 900 whole number here. We're looking for a potential long at it. Want a little dip. Slight dip. Yeah, I'm looking for a long pullback. Getting below the EMA slightly here. Don't tell me you just fucking did me like that. I won't. I'm just feeling a little, that gold is dumping today, still holding them positions. Fuck it, no risk, no story. No risk, no Rari work. I love it, King. Keep holding that position. 960, 940 zone. Must see the reaction here. I like that. I mean, let's see. They just don't want to fill you, LOL. All morning, it's been tough, man. It's just been tough, King. I don't love that candle closure. I ate salmon with brown rice with chili crisps. Fire. Let's go. With broccoli. What are y'all guys' go-to gym foods, like healthy-wise? I love that, Pablo. As much vegetables as you can, King. And even more important than that is just protein. So eggs, nuts, meats, dairy. I don't eat a lot of dairy, but yeah, bro. Protein is going to be your number one. And then obviously vegetables, fiber. Try to get as much fiber as you can as well. Nice reaction to these 960s, I mean. In fact, Pat, I love it. Yeah, gold went crazy last night. Just selling off, huh? I went crazy buying. I mean, we're at the 43,000s, 4,300s. I don't like the way that we're facilitating trades right here, guys. Doesn't, to me, scream that this is going to find some buying. I just took my order off. Of course, we would have just been filled. Where's this market coming? I literally just took our order off, and of course it's... I have a feeling we're coming down, though. I really do. A little bit. I think this 960s might have been the spot. Oh, yeah, no, perfect. I take our order off, and then we... Yeah, no, it's pretty perfect. Pretty perfect, pretty perfect. It's tricky right now, guys. I'm not going to lie to y'all. This is a tough market right now. Nice reaction. Yeah, gold went crazy. Protein, steak, chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, protein powder, carbs, red potatoes. I love that. That protein is it. And then for carbs, red potatoes, rice, pasta, healthy fats, which help you train and make you lean, are almond butter, avocados, olive oil. You follow that right there, Pablo, you'll be chilling. Those are great. That's a great food advice. I'd be interested in being filled here. Tyler, I think your stop's too tight. Lenny, I agree with you, King. It is for sure too tight for today. Like for the range that we've been having lately, it's been really tricky, which is why I've been having to give more points and take bigger losses a little bit. But on a normal market, when the market isn't being absolutely fucking crazy, it's kind of, we have a decent little range to get filled at with our 15 points. But I agree with you. I agree with you, King. Trying hard to find a spot where it makes a lot of sense to get into this, guys, but this is just a tough market, honestly. I do not know how to trade this right now. We are finding higher prices. We're a little overextended. We're not really respecting ranges. We're not really respecting levels. We're just pushing. So, I don't know. I'm taking a long at this little demand zone that we found. Market already respected. Pushed through. Found some more support here, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Looks like it's going to chop. That's kind of how I'm thinking too, Matrix. Just a little back and forth baloney. We already missed the strength of the moves this morning. 882 tap would have been clean. Would have been clean. We'd still be in danger though, Pat, right now. Just getting suppression below the EMA is not ideal. Getting suppression below the EMA isn't super ideal there. I agree. It's late on the move. We could retrace. VWAP is curling a little bit aggressive. I mean, it was down at the 60s. Now it's at the 700s. So it's up about 40 points. Getting below this EMA isn't terrible here. I like a little tap and fill. This was at 10:15, so we're still in our opening range. I don't know, family. Damn, it's Friday. You know what I'm saying? Tricky, tricky day right now. And I feel like I just... Lots of opportunity, though. We're going to get paid. ATH is 222 points off. That is wild. That is a W insight right there, Pat. But that's just crazy to me. Starting to find some respect here. And there it is. Starting to find some respect, and the market takes it higher. I mean, it's that simple. It's really that simple. Yo, there's 35 people watching, family. I don't know how many likes we got right now, but let's get to 30 if we can. I know that's a big ask, but let's end the week on a positive note. I'm kind of getting beat up by the NASDAQ right now, so I need a little bit of love. But it's the free, easy way to support the streams. We'll see what we can do here. I still have a lot of confidence. We're still going to pass these today. We just got to find the spot that makes sense to do that. We just got to find the spot where it makes sense to do it. And if the market's going to keep trading the way that it's looking right now, I wouldn't be opposed to grabbing some shorts at this trend line. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Because right now it's just kind of bullying us a little bit. I mean, we missed along at the VWAP. From there, it pushed up to the 900s. Found a strong selling that we tried to buy the pullback from there. Couldn't get the bottom. We end up getting ripped through. And then from there, it's just finding. Oh, here we go. NASDAQ looking like it's still defending these 920s. Back to the 900s. Look at this straight bottom here that we've been forming. Nothing but support for the NASDAQ. Once this starts to break, we could find some selling maybe. Look at this. Look at the way the price is just supported all the way up through here. We start getting this to break through. I can take some shorts. This is a great day to pass. You win some, you lose some. Just take a breath and break and go. Hey, take a breath, take a break and go. Let's go, Wildflower. Welcome in, Queen. W Insight. Today is a great day to pass. Lots of opportunity, lots of movement. Everything is setting up nice. We just got to get it. Got real cocky and blew my account for the first time. Grateful for these lessons. That's it, Blake. Sad to hear that, King, but like you said, it's great for the lessons. You'll be back stronger and hopefully won't do that again. So, way to take the positive, Blake. W Queen, indeed, Pat. Great insight from Wildflower there. Getting decent scalps. I like that, Brandon. In and outs, baby. Don't need to be married to it. Just got to get in and outs. Part of me wants to take this short here for the anticipation of this break. But it also feels pretty bad. Feels like these longs are just unreal. But a part of me wants to see this trend line start to break down. And I'll take the short on it. Here we go. Buying's trying to get through this flatness here. Really tempted to find a short. You seem like you were on the edge a bit. I am, Wildflower. I really am. I already got kicked out of our long. We looked for a long at this VWAP. Didn't get it. Market pushed. I felt, FOMO. Felt upset. Then it pushed back through. We grab a beautiful long, or what felt like a good long at the top of the range. Get ripped through by half of this candle just to get supported and be correct. So that annoyed me. And yeah, we're just yeah. But you're right. Deep breaths. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna get paid today. Careful with the shorts. Still strong longs. I like that, Almighty. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Still very much the trend of the day. Shorts are against the counter trend here, but I just want to see if this little trend line can't be supportive. You know what I mean? Price is playing games. She is, Noah. She really is, King. She knows. She's just, doing her Friday thing. No worries. Agree. I think longs are still in, but anything could happen. I like that, family. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I don't disagree at all, but we did get a little bit of respect from the sellers at this previous day range. I would have loved the 25,000s. It would have been a little bit more obvious and clean. And we still could respect this trend line and push right back up in there. So we'll see. We'll see. How you doing, bro? Feeling a little all right. Not too bad. No, it's Friday. Feeling great. Having an opportunity to make a lot of money. Trading with y'all this morning. So nothing to complain about. But the NASDAQ taking my money. Taking my vibes right now, but we're gonna get it back. You should apply second entries to your strategy because you are normally right. I'll look at that. I'll consider that, Wildflower. Appreciate it. Would love a dumpski. A little dumperoonie and biscuits. Me too, Danny. Let's see this break through this trend. Let's see a little break through this trend. Start finding some sellers. This trend line feels a little too sharp, a little too steep. It's a little too supported. I want to short this. I just have such a bad feeling about these longs. Decompress selling into the range. I want to short this so bad. I just have a bad feeling about the strength of these longs. What made you jump on the 50Ks? I just think for risk to reward, Lenny, it's far more, it's just better profitability wise. Like, yes, you have a little bit more drawdown, but you're spending so much money, so much more money with the 150s. I feel like at the end of the day, you have the same opportunity. Like 5 contract, we don't, how often do we ever trade 5? You know what I mean? Like, that's a lot of leverage, let alone 15. So I like to just kind of limit it, stay with the 5. I don't think we need more right now, but if I ever feel like that is a change, I'll flip back over to the 150s, Lenny. The zone, Tyler, hold buyers now, hold. Let's see it. Let's see it, I mean. Finding some selling. Got to try to get through these flat number at the 70s. Your 60s did hold well. I love how Ty stays cool and calm. Being down today, I would have crashed out by now. I mean, I appreciate it, Pablo. Not in the best mindset. I feel like I'm a little annoyed, but that's the market. She does her games. It's not her job to pay us. You know what I mean? It's our job to stay in the right mindset and take advantage of it. So, bearish PD arrays getting respected. Think we'll see lower. I like that, Noah. I'm looking lower just from the break of this trend line, but we'll see. We'll see. I'd like an order back up around here now, but we already got the break from there. If you caught this long, 15 contracts would have been 8K times 5. 40 big ones, Pat. What a day. Respecting the bottom of these 80s, trying to find some bids out of it. Respecting back to the EMA. We are breaking out of this trend now, so sellers starting to show themselves a little bit here. But it doesn't feel super strong. You know what I mean? This doesn't feel super strong. Patrick would be like, cha-ching. It feels a trap. Yeah, it's feeling a little bit interesting right now. I do want some sells, but I'd wait for a better fill. I think the longs are going to show themselves, get a little excited again at some of these prices. And then from there, maybe we get a pull back in towards the sellers, though. They're reaching. They want it. If the buyers defend, though, we easily could start pushing back. So be patient, be careful. No reason to rush anything. Let's not rush. Lots of opportunity still get paid today. Lots of opportunity to get paid today. We just got to be patient and find it. Market's selling into the 70s, getting through there. It just feels a little bit weaker, you know what I mean, than the longs have been all morning. Excuse me. If we break 850s, I think sells are in. Here we go. He got money to blue 40 accounts and make money on 10 accounts and be like, I made 20K today. 40 accounts and make money on 10 accounts and be like, I made 20K today. That's all we want. Big fat paydays. This poor soul's reloading his account. Sorry to yawn in y'all's face like that. Ugh. Feeling good. Let's get paid. Come on, NASDAQ. What you got for us, Queen? Selling into overnight high range right now. Decompressed selling below the EMA. Kind of interested in trying to take a poke at it. Feels stupid, but I want it. Feels dummy, but I want it. Selling is officially loading in. Of course, if I would have taken the short up here, it never would have just printed like this. This is so frustrating. Super, 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 super cool, NASDAQ. Here we go. Sellers are really trying to load up here now. Bang. Bang. Sellers showing themselves. This feels bad, honestly. Just poor souls keep dropping. Come on, Danny. I hope you caught those shorts. Tough day. Down 400 today on 4XFAs. Did get one half on a 50K, half pass on a 50K combine. Hey, no worries, GPT. Market's always going to be here, King. It's not even over yet either, but if you want to just lock up, you can. But we got this. Short 919. Tap took the break even and goes to TP. Matrix. Sorry, King. That's the NASDAQ right now. Yes, sir. I love it, Danny. Yes, sir. That's tough, Matrix. Good short entry, King. And then just to get break even is rough. I was looking for a break even at the break of this trend, and I didn't have the nuts to take it. And then, of course, we actually print because of that. So let's go. I love it. Still finding some selling. Back into the top of the 15-minute range now. Still finding some more selling. Part of me feels like I have to try to take a long at this price. You can't be the first buyer, but I feel like you have to try to buy the bottom of this range. Wow, sellers really, look at this hourly candle invert now. Sellers really stepped right up there. Sellers really just stepped right up there, watching to buy the drop. Watching to buy the drop. It's not a bad play. It's not a bad play. Let's be patient here, family. Trying to get monies, trying to get paid. $875.75 limit sell, Noah says. I like that. Shorting the previous range up here. Noah, I like that. It's trying to sell into the bottom of this 15-minute, into the top of this 15-minute range right now. Completely through the other side of this trend. I do think longs are going to step up at some point, but now I think shorts might be loaded. Let's see the reaction here. Are they going to defend the top of this 15-minute range? Excuse me again. I do like the 75 shorts, though, up around these previous tops. I think an even nicer one is overnight high around here, which is also the EMA at the moment. Trying our best here, family. Market's currently respecting the top of the range a little bit here. I'm trying to decide if I think that that's the trying to decide if I think that we're gonna find some support here. I don't love the way that we're facilitating out of here. I think we've already got a little push. So I really think sells just are loading in, which is just crazy to think that they just dropped 100 points from our entry without even really thinking about it. It just wanted lower. So I do not know how we are at with likes, family, but there's 36 people watching here. Let's try to get as close to 30 as we can. If you have not yet, hit that button. The easiest free way to support the streams. See if we can get a little bit of support on our side to find an entry here. Breaking through the top of the range. just feel like when the buyers come in, they're going to get really aggressive for some reason, but I don't know. I want this one, but I don't know if this is going to do it. Wait. No. No, the sellers are still very much showing themselves right now. Just 100-something points from the top of there. And getting heavier. Oh my word, huh? What crazy days. Look at this price. Look at the way we're facilitating trades right now. This to me does look like we got what we were seeking here on the hourly chart, right? So we got the breakdown. We were looking for a touch of the other end of it. This looks just about as close as it could be without really doing it. So I think we can officially say shorts are in, family. Try to find a nice position with them. Currently feels a little hard because we're so deep into this range and they want to respect this bottom, but I think sells are in. Selling trying to reach VWAP. You still in, Danny? I'm just trolling, by the way. Let me chill, LOL. Market fill and break even on immediately. Tricky to put on break even quick, but I do understand what you're saying, Pat. Selling trying to reach VWAP. Is there any news or something? This is nuts. I don't think there's news. I just think this is the rotation. Decent sell volume, though, right there. Market couldn't push through this range. Instead found some buying. We could find a little bit of reversion here. Taking a short here at this EMA. Taking a short here at this EMA. I want to see if the sellers are going to defend it. Feels like they're not, though. Oh, yeah, just perfectly. Just absolutely perfectly. The longs. Just love our stops today, family. You can't make this shit up. The longs just love my stop loss today. You just can't make this shit up. Every fucking push, man. Wow. So fucking annoyed. NASDAQ showing no love. Like perfectly. Just perfectly. Overnight high is where we're at right now. I like a short at 879. I don't mind that either. I kind of want to take a short this previous day high or this overnight high, but the strength is strengthened. Oh, fucking gosh. Why am I trading like shit today? Like, oh my word. Completely bullshit. Get tapped out of our position and get it. And what do you know? What do you know? I just don't get it. Sound cut out? Y'all cannot hear me? I have a line at 879 from months ago that we have been playing with a lot lately. Sounds weird. Sound cut out. Oh, look. What do you know? I take a short here. It has to come stop me out before fucking respecting it. Holy shit, dude. This has been bad for me, family. Can we get a fill, please? 818s. Are you just gonna go? You're just gonna go without me now? Because I was already looking for the short, and then it had to go stop me out. And then, my fucking God, dude. I agree, Matrix. It's a rough day. Bro, I feel like the same setup. I just hesitate on the entry. Bro, I feel like I see the setups. I just hesitate on the entries. That's the hard part about it, King. But, I mean, that comes with experience. You got it. Just keep showing up, Brandon. Keep trusting it. Eventually, you'll see the market play. I feel like I'm missing a lot of entries, too. NQ is not tradable today. It is reestablished to equilibrium with a new high range, brother. It is just reestablished to equilibrium with a new range, bruv. Yeah, I don't know what it's doing to me, King. She tapped the 9 EMA on the 5-minute and went back down. Not even you. Market is doing anything. No technicals. Hard to trade this. This is when I usually crash out in full port. I hate it, but NQ makes you feel that way. NQ makes me just want to, like, what are you doing, Queen? Why are you doing this bullshit? And then she's going to come up and disrespect me and then be validated. And I had to put my stop a little bit higher. Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah. Here we fucking go. My word. Oh my God, it's like, you can't even make this shit up. I just can't even make this shit up. Decent reaction at the EMA. We gotta stay respected here if the sellers are gonna be real. Every fucking pop by these longs is just being ridiculous. Can we get a defense of this EMA? Can we get a defense of this EMA? No, because Tyler's looking for shorts, right? Is that how you feel with me, NASDAQ? Bring this puppy down below here. Show me something. If we do, guys, this is a big if, right? Big if here. But if we do get this to break back below these 800s, big ask, I know, NASDAQ. But if she does, I will add another contract. I don't like the way we're going sideways at this EMA in the top of this range. I'm pretty sure we're going to get stopped out of this. Pretty sure we're not in a great position if we continue to respect this EMA. Sellers have to get excited here, and I don't see them, so. Tyler, how many trades do you do per day, like it's by trades limit or loss limit? Usually financial. I don't have like a certain number of trades. Oh, look, we're going to get disrespected. But it usually is something like that, Abby, depending on the situation, the accounts, or whatever. Keep bouncing the 200 EMA. It's one of those days. She's just chaotic today, up and down. My fucking God, dude. I appreciate it, Pat. Amen, work. Appreciate you guys. Maybe size down for a bigger stop. I just don't know. Right now. The ATR is 28 on the 1 minute, and that's big. So 10-point stops are hard. 10-point stops are hard. Yeah. No, 10-point stops are always hard. You're right. Usually, we have 15, but it is also OPEC, so there's some if the market fuckery. It's okay, King. Take a break. Try again next week. No worries, family. No worries. It happens to the best of us. It happens to all of us. It's just a normal day. We lose. We win bigger. But I'm just super frustrated. Like, I just cannot caught a fucking trade today. Just unbelievable. We get missed by the VWAP by 2 fucking points. It flies, soars. Okay, we get missed, of course. Finally get a pullback from this strong move. We buy the top of the range. Nope, there's one extra candle. One extra candle to disrespect the range. Stops you out. I'm thinking, oh, so I have to join them. Oh, my word, NASDAQ. Oh, and then look at this. Beautiful. All right, well, we have one more chance, so watch this. And now it's going to disrespect that level. 75-ish short tie. I mean, I don't think we get that high. We definitely could. So I don't know. Saucy. These days have been insane. Price action just look like just chaos. Hey Ty, why not trade ES since NQ is being bearish? I don't know. I'm just more comfortable with NQ. ES is just tricky. You have to. It's not tricky, just different. I just don't have as much support with it, as much experience. We got tapped in. Yeah, because why wouldn't they respect this wick?
Order filled.
Do you guys just see what just fucking happened? This candle better wick all the way back to that fucking top, because I swear to God, did you guys just see what just happened? This candle better wick all the way back. I want to see this print white. Oh my word. This better print all the way white. I need this to wick all the way back up. Respect the shit out of the EMA and fly up. Because what the fuck was that? Come on, print white, NASDAQ. Do not disrespect me like that. Did y'all see that? Oh my fucking God. I highly suggest you look at ATR for your stops. Yeah, Lenny, I only had sadly 6 points there with drawdown, so. But I appreciate that. I'll definitely look into that. P says 1 micro comeback. Sorry, man. Sucks. No worries, Danny. Nobody to blame except myself. Just frustrated. Just frustrated. Did you guys see what just happened to me on that last trade? Like, I'm not making this shit up. Look at the fucking bullshit today. Just unlucky. Okay? Now, let's just look at this last fucking trade before I literally lose my shit. Entry time, 10.50. Entry price, 8.53. We get kicked out at 8.63. Okay? Oh, my God. We get kicked out at 8.63. What the fuck was that? This candle comes in, so we short. The high of this candle goes to 8.65. 8.66. This better go all the way back. I'm just... Lath says NQ is crazy this morning. She's printing points, just fucking disrespecting levels. Doesn't make sense. It will go up. It better. I need it to work. Here we go. There you go. There we go. Get up there. You have like $100 or so drawdown. Go 5 micros and have a decent stop and look for a good trade. I don't, Pat. We busted, buddy. Unfortunately, King, we do not have it. She's respecting the 9 EMA. The 5 minute for the candles now. Rough, bro. Unbelievably painful. It's all right, though, Brandon. Nah, tell her to go down. Hey, go down for Timothy. Don't push. Get it? Because I would be in those shorts. Oh, that's bullshit. It's at 30 seconds or so, bruh. Nah, up Tim from here on, I think. Well, family. Oh, my blood pressure is a little bit too high right now. I don't think I've really been this. I don't know what it is lately, but damn, trading has just felt a little bit like, oh, what do you know? What do you know? I just can't right now. I just want to say huge respect to you, man. Trading live, showing real emotion, showing both ends of the game, the wins, the losses. Days like these are tough, but only make you better, my man. Do it for people like that. People like you, Sobs. You mean the most. Y'all mean the most. I do it for you guys. I just want to strangle NASDAQ right now, but it's just the game. Been a long week. Lots of opportunity this week, but yet no reward. I feel like I've just been fucking... I feel like I've just been... I don't even know. Not the best week, but guess what, guys? That's the beauty thing about trading. Here we go. Finally gonna fucking disrespect me by 3 points. It's just... Oh, shit. On the last trade, we would have saved these fucking accounts. I'd be up almost 100 points on that one contract right now. And it's just printing. Oh my fucking God. It's just, you can't make this shit up, family. You can't make this shit up, family. If I had 3 more points, 3 more points in drawdown there, we get paid. Reset on the weekend and bounce back next week, King. Let's go, Matt. That's the plan, bro. We're all gonna bounce back. This is just another day. Oh, look, we'd be printing dollars from our short here. This candle pushes up, inverts. We take the short. Can't even be upset. Unbelievable. Today, this happened to me all the time. I missed our long here, missed our long here, missed the short here. Like, are you fucking kidding me? 1, 2, 3 beautiful entries we just get fucked on and lose. Makes me sad. But it's just another day. It's just another day trading. Some days you win, some days you lose. Today feels horrible, but it's just another day. Just a bad day, not a bad journey. I love that, Abby. Let's go. That's why I don't trade NQ, LOL. She's weird work. She plays games with people. Keep going strong, man. Tough week, but it ain't over. I love it, Dom. I appreciate that, sir. Call it, bro. Take the weekend and don't think about trading. Meditate and reflect to see what's off and come back strong. I don't even know what's off, Pat. That's the thing, bro. Like, I have a long here, okay? We get fucking Diddy missed. Just slightly. Look at this. I have a long at VWAP. Any other day, this... whatever. We don't hit VWAP. We don't even break through the bottom of the 15-minute range. How many days do we not do that? Like, oh, whatever. So that doesn't happen. We take the nice pullback long, get disrespected there. So we have 2 great entries that we're looking for longs. Neither again get filled, and then we just take this beautiful short, and that doesn't get filled. Like, I don't even think anything's wrong. I'm just literally not hitting it, and that's just the game. Some days the market respects you, some days it doesn't. We're all here for you. Back on it Monday and slay it. Let's go, Danny. And that's why I'm showing up for y'all, because you guys keep showing up. You guys even show love even when I lose like today, so it means the most. I don't know how many likes we have on today's episode, but if y'all can make my weekend just a little bit better, hit that like button, show a little bit of love. Maybe I can, next week's going to be different. 1 beautiful long, 2 beautiful longs, and a beautiful short that we just got missed on today. Unreal. Thank you for telling her to go down. Much appreciated. I'm glad she did, sir. I do. I'm very glad she did, and I hope she continues to dump for you, sir. Tough, bro. Finally got that short from the 844s. I'm done for the day. Winning day is a winning day. Way to bounce back, Matrix. You deserve that one, King. You were patient all day. Respect. Lessons are W's. That's it, Blake. We're always learning, always getting better. It's been outside of your control, then maybe you weren't meant to have those trades hit. Instead, just try to just wait for price to come to you. I like it, Pat. It's Obama's fault. You were really on point with your analysis, King. It's just the market wanted your stops or not, your fill on the entries. Beautiful entry here. Beautiful one here. Got stopped there. And then our short that we just didn't have the life on to make payments. So we didn't do anything wrong. And that's trading, guys. We show up. We do our best. We do everything right and can still lose. Today I didn't even do everything right and lost. So nothing to be upset about. We can just celebrate that it's Friday. We got the rest of the weekend. We'll bounce back next week hella strong. The love and support y'all have been showing lately has been out of this world. Truly makes it easy to show up, makes it easy to be here and lose with you guys or be here and win with you guys. I know eventually the winning's coming back around the corner for us. We just gotta be patient. And that's the thing about trading, right? It really tests the mental, makes you have anticipations of all these dreams that you have and all this anticipation, but we are going to achieve it. And we're going to do it slowly. Next week it starts. So I love you guys. Thanks for stopping in, enjoying another stream. Thanks for making this week great. Hope you guys made it out profitable. And drink some sun this weekend. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. Try not to think about trading. And next week, we're going to absolutely steal from this NASDAQ. I love y'all. Take it easy. Have a good day. Peace.